Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing. So a few days ago, I saw a post on Beauty Deals BFF. I'm going to link their Instagram handle down below. They're always posting about current beauty deals and boxes and all that. And I follow them, okay? I check them out on a daily. And the other day she posted about a Bobbi Brown mystery box that was on sale. So I picked it up and it just came in today. So I'm excited to see what's inside. The only thing I've done is open the box. I haven't actually looked at anything. So this is what the inside looks like. Oh, I'm so excited. I know she posted one thing, and on the website, it did say for sure you were going to get one of their moisturizers. But I don't know what else is in there. So I'm going to pop this open and we're going to take a look. So this is just the paper. Let's throw it on the side. And, okay, so I guess everything's in here. I think. Yeah. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay. Okay, so this is the little box. And I'm trying to see. Okay, here we go. So that's what's inside. Okay, so the first thing you get is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It's the primer and moisturizer. And this is the packaging, and you get the 1.7 ounce, and this was the only thing that they showed that you would get in the mystery box. And then there's that. I have actually used this before. I do like it. It hydrates very nicely, and your makeup goes on really, really nice. So that alone, I think this alone is like $80 or something like that. So let's keep looking. Okay, the next thing is the Vitamin Enriched Eye Base. It says it moisturizes, soothes, and primes. So it's this little baby right here. And I'm pretty sure this is a sample size. I don't think it's the full size. Yeah, so here's the little baby. And I have not tried the eye base, so I'm excited to try that. Okay, next thing in here is a Luxe Lip Color in the shade Neutral Rose. And this is also a little sample size. So there's that. We're going to take it out. And then this is the packaging. Super cute. And that's the color. Oh, it's really pretty actually. Let's do a little swatch. Oh, that's really pretty and really pigmented. And I have to smell it. Okay, it does have a little rosy scent, so I'm okay with that. You guys know I don't like the smell of that lipstick smell. I can't stand it, so it has to have some kind of scent to it. Okay, next up is the Smokey Eye Mascara in the shade Black. And again, this is another little sample size. And there's the wand. Okay. I don't think I've tried any of their mascaras, so we got that. And there's one more thing in here. And this is a full size, and it's the Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in the shade Peach Mimosa. So there's that. And this is what that looks like. I'm gonna pop it open. And here's that. It looks really pretty, and I actually have used the eye sticks before, and I love them because they kind of dry down and they stay. And I love the ease of it. You know, you can throw them in your bag, take them with you, and just, you can use them as eyeliner. You can use them as the eyeshadow. You can use them as a base. Okay, so there's the color right there. And it's really pretty. Very summery. Which, the heat kind of already started here in Arizona, so summer's definitely right around the corner. So this is what we got in the mystery box. Originally, this was a $90 mystery box, but it was on sale for 50% off, so we got it for $49, I think, or 40 something. So it's not a bad deal because, like I said, the cream alone, the primer alone is like 80 something dollars. And then these, I think they retail for like 24 or 32. I'll put it down below. But I'm happy with it. It was a good purchase. I liked it. Everything is nice. The colors are really pretty and they actually go together. They do kind of match. So I don't know. Did you guys pick this up? Let me know down below. I think this is the first mystery box I've ever done with them. So let me know if you guys like what was in it. Do you think it was worth it? And I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.